Good afternoon, lecturers. My name is Devin, and today I'll be presenting about my final year project, which is about time-sensitive networking. So this is the list of the content I'll be going through for today. So this project is actually a collaboration between National Instruments, ARTC, as well as Ngee Polytechnic, to come with a demo set to showcase to the public the new standard of data communication, which will be used in future industries. My task is to integrate the hardware as well as the software to come up with a working demo set which showcases this new standard. My documentation at the end of this project will be handed over to ARTC to be studied and implemented into their future smart factories, which is a thing implemented for the Industrial 4.0 scheme. So what exactly is TSN? So TSN is not a data communication protocol like UDP or TCP/IP, but it's actually addition to the existing Internet standard. It uses different IEEE standards to provide time synchronization as well as deterministic communication to the network. With these features, we are able to converge both the IT and the OT networks without compromising the reliability of the OT networks. So how exactly does TSN work? There is 3 key features into how TSN works. The first being the time synchronization. This provides the network with a shared sense of time and allows programs to run in sync with precision up to nanoseconds. Second is the traffic scheduling. It gives the TSN its deterministic communication aspect. And how this works is by assigning timing schedules to the packets traveling over the TSN network. Lastly is the system configuration. This allows for easy configuration of the TSN network, as well as allows users to prioritize which hardware is time critical. So these are some examples of how TSN can be implemented into the industry, like machine control, monitoring, as well as automotive network. So next I'll talk about the demo set. It uses coordinated motion and vision to showcase the key features of TSN. How this works is the 2 compact rails will be communicating with each other to coordinate the gear motion, and then the industrial controller will be capturing images of the gear motion. So this is just an overview of the networks inside the demo set. How this works is there's 2 modes of gear control. One is UDP, one is TSN. In both modes, the position data of the master motor over here will be transferred over the network from the compact rail to the slave compact rail, and then used to control the slave motor. This ensures that the 2 gears are coordinated with each other and will represent our OT network in the demo set. Next, the user can, from the host VI, which is on the industrial controller, it can start the video stream between the 2 PCs to represent our IT network, and then flood the network with random data in order to max out the bandwidth of the network. Once this happens, you can see there's a performance difference in both modes, UDP and TSN. So next is the code. The code uses simple messaging to communicate between the IC as well as the 2 compact rails. And then within the target VIs, there is sub-VIs to handle the different tasks like motion and data communication. RT5os are used to communicate between the different sub-VI and to pass data between each other. This is the industrial controller code with the STM initialization loop, and then a status receiver loop to receive status from the other devices. Message sender loop is basically to send commands to perform actions to the other compact rails. Then a visual acquisition loop for the capturing of the image. This is the master compact rail code. Sorry. The sub-VIs to handle the different actions and the tasks in the system, and then the status indicator loop. The slave compact rail code is almost the same as the master, except there's a TSN timing indicator loop to represent the TSN packets, the timing. So in conclusion, despite all the difficulties and the challenges that I faced along the way, I successfully completed a working demo set which showcases the TSN standard by integrating both hardware and software together, which is provided by National Instruments. With this demo set being the first in the whole of ASEAN, I'm confident that with my documentation, I can contribute to the implementation of TSN into future industries. Okay, thank you.